Okay, we're gonna see what's in the box. What's in the box? Today we're unboxing the HP desktop PC, okay? And I'm a gamer, so I need it to be strong enough to handle my gaming needs. Also a YouTuber, need it strong enough to handle my edits and whatnot. So I need this computer to be able to handle a lot of things. In this video, I'm gonna let you know if it does, if it doesn't. Should you pick up this PC? Should you buy it? Should you not? Don't worry about it, your boy got you. I'm gonna let you know. Let's get into the video. I'm trying to decide on how I'm gonna do something. You know, could do something like, where my intro at? Alright gang, I'm back, okay? Back on these weekly uploads. Back on the weekly upload grind, you know what I'm saying? Right now, I'm trying to post every Monday and Friday. Today is Thursday night, and your boy got work at 7 in the morning. But look at me. Look at me. Hey man, it's finally here, bro. Time for these gaming videos. We're gonna be cranking them out for y'all boys. If you play PC games, let me know what you like to see. Let me know the new PC games coming out, cause I'm a console guy. You feel me? Let me know some PC games down in the comment section below. If you like this video, do me a favor, leave a like down below. You know what I'm saying? Go down and hit that like button. But fuck, actually, if you don't even want to hit the like button, you don't got to. But if you don't hit the like button, you gotta hit the subscribe button. You feel me? You gotta join the anti-socialists. You know what I'm saying? Anti-social niggas, unite! Hey, I like that. We might keep that too. Leave a like on the video if you enjoy it. Comment down below. And subscribe, bro. Join the anti-socialist. Videos coming every Monday and Friday. If I'm on my P's, my Q's, and my F's. And I am, okay? That's enough rambling. Let's get into the content. Alright, bro. So, once you get, I ain't gonna lie, I took it out the box. It's sitting right here in front of me. We're gonna break it down step by step what you get in the box. Okay, you get the PC. I mean, you know what I'm saying? I done did my research on the PC gaming, like what you need in order to game on a PC. And this baby has it, you know what I'm saying? You got the 8 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, if I said that right. That's the minimum, not the bare minimum, but like the recommended minimum for what you need to game on a PC. We got that. The hard drive has a whole terabyte of space, so you know what I'm saying? We got space for days, nigga. It has a DVD writer, but you know what I'm saying? 21st century, we don't really use DVDs like that no more, but we not even gonna talk about it. It operates on a Windows 10 operating system, so you know what I'm saying, Windows easy. It comes set up, so all you gotta do is make an account, log in, bam, you in that baby. And it also comes with a wired keyboard and mouse. What is up with that pause? The monitor does not come with it, okay? I'm sorry, I bought the monitor separate. You can get you a monitor, bro, easy. This one was about, I think, 108 maybe. Everything that comes in the box, you get your PC itself. You get the power cable for the PC. You get the keyboard, the mouse, and that's it. You gotta get your own HDMI cable. You gotta get your own monitor. You gotta get all that on your own. The specifications, okay? If you're curious on what processor this baby runs off, it is a AMD Ryzen 3 processor, which is the way I like to think of it. It's not as as powerful as AMD 5, 7, 9, any of those. It's the little bro, you know what I'm saying? But the little bro still got that thing on too, you know what I'm saying? And this processor is way more than enough for running 1080p, 60 frames on just about any game. Yesterday, I set up GTA RP. I didn't play too much because I didn't know what the hell I was doing, but stay tuned for that. Content for that is coming as well. And I told you about the 8 GB DDR4 RAM. Yeah, if you get a 16, I think this baby is upgradable. You can upgrade it from the 8 to 12. I'm not sure about 16. If you can upgrade to 16, I will be doing that. When I was first opening and unboxing the PC, I got a little scared because I didn't see HDMI port. I was like, oh my God, how am I gonna connect it to my monitor? But in the back, it got 2 HDMI ports. You got your power port. All right, price. The exact price, I don't have the receipt on me. but it's between $420 and $430 without tax. With tax, you coming out with like $460. So it's not bad at all in the price department for what you're getting, because you're getting a whole terabyte of space, a great processor. You know what I'm saying? AMD Ryzen. They up there with the memory card brands. Did I say that right? Don't know. As you can see, the box says, a look you will love, performance you can depend on. Okay, and I'm not gonna lie, so far, it's been pretty great. I don't want to get my hopes up, because every time I try to upgrade something in my setup for YouTube, it failed, and it failed miserably. So I'm scared to get my hopes up about this baby, but so far, like, she's been great. Everything I asked her to do, she's done. Haven't tested live streaming yet, because that wasn't the priority. I wanted to be able to record gaming videos off the rip, but she can stream. I know she can, because I have it set up. I just haven't, you know what I'm saying, actually streamed yet. It's not a bad deal, man. If you want a PC that can run the games that you want to play, because, like, do y'all want me to go to Steam? But I have GTA 5 RP. GTA 5 RP, played that yesterday. It can run that. It can run Fall Guys. It can run basically anything on Steam. It meets the minimum to run any game. Basically what I'm trying to say. Once again, not a bad deal at all. Coming in at $460 with tax included. The best part about it, it's on Walmart app. This wasn't the PC I originally went to get. I went to get HP Pavilion, but they were sold out of those. So I did my research on HP Pavilion, and I saw this baby like literally right next to the sold out spot for the PC I wanted. And I looked at the specs, the price was way better, saved $200, and I just couldn't say no. I brought that baby home that night. It's crazy how shit works. And my closing thoughts on this PC, a great budget startup PC for anybody looking to get into, gaming, streaming. I'm not sure about streaming, but if you want to play some games on a PC and you want to save some money, I think this is the best route you can take, to be honest. If you want one that can handle what you want to play or do a lot of things, they all run 600 and above, really, more than a next gen console. And you can get some good deals between $400 and $500. I was a little skeptical on them in the beginning, but look at me, I ended up buying one. Before you buy a PC, look at the specifications, look at the requirements that you need, make sure that it can work for you. Because when I bought 3 freaking capture cards that didn't work, I didn't look at them. But when I bought this baby, I looked at them, and she's been doing great so far. So rating out of 10, I would give this PC a 8.7 right now. Okay, and the only reason I'm not giving it a 9 or a 10 is because I honestly haven't even put the baby up to its full capability. I'm not gonna say far, but I'm a good bit away from the Wi-Fi box. I'm not right up on it. So for me to be able to even play games like Fall Guys, GTA RP out here, far from the Wi-Fi box, it blows my mind. I'm gonna get this baby 8.7 out of 10. If you want a budget gaming PC, a budget desktop PC, I think this is the way you wanna go. If you enjoyed the content, bro, leave me a like on the video. Go down in the comments below. Actually, fuck that. Hit that subscribe button, man. Join the Anti-Socialists. Just a place where anti-socialist people could come together, and I hope I make you niggas laugh. Hey, go down there and smash that subscribe button, okay? You finna go down, like, I'm still talking. You scroll your ass down there and hit that subscribe button, okay? Join the Anti-Socialists. Videos coming every week. We back on that grind. Whole lot of gaming content for y'all to look forward to if we continue to have no problems. And pretty much hit the topics that I want to hit. Smash that subscribe button, leave me a like, and I love you guys for clicking on this video, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Yeah! Bitch.